Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to show you how to pair your Bluetooth headphones with your Sony television. I've got my Trex Air Aftershocks here that we're going to use for this demonstration, and we're going to be using the X950G from Sony. So the first thing we're going to do is hit the little gear icon on our remote control, and that's going to bring up our menu. And yours might not necessarily look exactly like this. Again, we're using the X950G model. Yours might be a little bit different, but the idea behind it is the same. So we've got settings highlighted here. We're going to hit the enter button or the center button of your directional pad. And from here, we're going to go all the way down to where it says Bluetooth settings. And then we're going to hit enter again. And that's going to bring us here. Now, Bluetooth is already turned on this TV because the remote that comes with it uses Bluetooth for some of its features. If that isn't a blue color in that toggle switch next to it, make sure you hit the enter button to turn that on. But in this case, we've already got it turned on. So now from there, we're going to go down to add device, and we're going to hit enter again. And once it gets to this screen, it'll say searching for accessories. And at this point, you're going to want to make sure you put your headphones into Bluetooth pairing mode. It's going to be different for every set of headphones. So make sure you kind of check your manufacturer's instructions to make sure you're doing it the right way for your particular set of headphones. But now this process will take a few moments, so you do have to be patient. So you have to give it sometimes 20 to 30 seconds for the TV to actually find the headphones that you're using. So we'll let this run for a moment here so we can show you exactly what's going to happen once it finds the headphones. Okay, so now they've popped up on the side there. So it says Trex Air by Aftershocks, and that is the pair of headphones that we're trying to pair. So we're gonna hit the enter button again, and now you'll see it says pairing. It takes another moment. Okay, and now they're paired, and you see a little confirmation there at the bottom of the screen. And now we've got under registered devices, we have Trex Air by Aftershocks, and it does say we're connected, so we're good to go. So now when we want to watch something on television or watch a YouTube video, whatever, through the TV, the audio is now going to be coming through our headphones, so we're not disturbing anyone around us. So that's how you pair your Bluetooth headphones with your Sony TV. Thanks again for watching. We really do appreciate it. Make sure you check out our other how-to videos and our other product review videos because we've got plenty of them for you, and we'll see you in the next one.